Hello all. Today we will discuss a topic that is HTML editor. Okay, this one HTML editor. So what is HTML editor? The place where we write the HTML code. Okay, let's look. Microsoft provide a free editor that is the Notepad. So where it is? Look, I delete this thing. Okay. I delete this one. Right click on any sections right here. Here we click on the new button. Look here, numbers of package of Microsoft are there. Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher, and here look, this is the text document. When you click, it open a new text document. When I click on that page or file, it show as a pop-up. There are 5 options are there: file, edit, format, view, and help. Okay, this is the Notepad. Suppose I click on right hand side and open another advanced versions of a Notepad is edit a Notepad plus plus. This is the Notepad and this is the Notepad plus plus. Here we can write the HTML code and accept this Notepad plus plus. Another one types of advanced versions of the editor is VS Code or Visual Studio Code editor. In the market, there are different types of editor are available to write the HTML code for programmer or developer. Okay, I suggest you you should learn or you should begin with Notepad. Okay, this is easy to learn. Okay, so how to create the second thing is how to create the HTML file. Okay, this is the text file or text document file. How can we create HTML file? So here look. Okay, I just close all these things. Here look. Go to the file. Okay. Then after here you look. There are multiple types of options are there. Click on the Save As button and just write your name of the HTML file. Suppose I write test. This is the test is my file name and dot HTML is the extension one. Means test is the file name of HTML. Dot HTML is the extension. When you click on that or save, it's create a test hyphen notepad. So text document is now converted into the HTML file. Suppose I close these things. Here you look. This is the text. When I mouse over on that, it see me type is HTML file and size and modification date. Here you look, this is the HTML document. Okay, in this session we cover how to create the HTML file and types of editors. In the market, there are different types of editor are there. You should learn first in Notepad, then after go to the Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. Okay, so that's all for now. Okay, in the next video, I will share all the tags, how to write the code in HTML document. Okay, bye.